Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. I'm back with another update video for the ICE network. The team seems to be doing a lot of sudden changes that are taking the internet by storm and the community by storm, and I promised my viewers and subscribers that I will keep up with the updates, so that's what I'm trying to do. In this video, I'd like to go over the changes that are going to take place. I would like to call it the Great Reset. There was an announcement by the team that everything that we've mined so far, all the tokens that were staked so far, this will be reset, and the staking will be reset, and the accrued interest will also be reset in order to prepare the shift to the Ethereum blockchain. And that apparently is meant to help out people who have staked the tokens for 5 years or whatever duration of time that you have chosen to stake. This reset is supposed to help the people to restake the tokens again in case they would like to withdraw the tokens prior to the 1 year, or to stake them for less than 5 years like I have. So that's the goal of this Great Reset. Also, I'd like to go over some of the points that were made earlier in terms of the KYC. There seems to be a lot of discussion on Twitter, a little bit of uncertainty around the whole idea of what is required for the KYC. So let's just go over that quickly as well. So these two things. Make sure to stick around till the very end so you don't miss any of the details. Smash up the likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, of course. Hit that bell notification button, bell all, so you don't miss any other updates on the channel that I post, and let's get going. So the most recent update on Telegram that was posted by the team states: heads up snowmen, prior to the ICE token distribution on Ethereum, all pre-stakes will be reset, resulting in a balance adjustment as pre-staking earnings won't be included. Fear not, you have the option to stake again, and your balance will reflect your updated choice. This to me is problematic for a couple of reasons. What I find problematic is the calculation of the reward. So let's have a look here at my phone and the calculator that is available on the phone. So this is basically the earnings calculator for ICE per hour. You will earn 4 ICE per hour without any referrals, without any tier 1 or 2 referrals, without any active referrals. As soon as you start adding referrals, and provided that they're active, this should begin to change. So let's say I have 1 referral, tier 1 referrals. Let's say I have 5 tier 1 referrals, which is the minimum requirement to earn the rewards, I think, for certain tokens there, to start earning rewards. And let's say I have those tier 1 referrals have like 3 referrals. Okay, if these people are not active, obviously, if they're not mining, then you get bupkis. Your income is still 4 ICE per hour. However, if they are active, if 4% of them are active, I guess maybe we should make it 10. Let's make it 10, because that makes more sense, right? And okay, 10 and 10. Just to be on the easy math calculations. 4%, I guess, of these people, of the referrals, are mining, then your ICE goes up. Let's say 10% of their mining, it goes up, and so on and so forth. If 50% of these people, of the people in your referral team are mining, then your ICE, the amount of ICE that you get, continues to go up. So depending on how many people there are in your referral, the amount of ICE that you mine changes. So upon reset, all of this goes away. And the problem that I find is that I didn't have 5 referrals the first week or the second week. The number of referrals changed, and so the number of ICE mined every single day has changed. Also, there is a shift in the amount of ICE that is mined per hour, every single hour, depending on how many people in my referral group and my tiers are active. So if I have, let's say, like here, 30 referrals, 20 tier 1 and 10 tier 2, but only 18 or 15% of them are active, then obviously my mined ice per hour drops. If, however, 100% of them are active, then obviously the number of ice I receive per hour increases. And so this would require that for the calculated percentage of my base lockup, I locked up my tokens for 5 years, right there, 5 years, 250 pre-staking bonus, but this is calculated on the earnings that I have. So this is, I believe that this is calculated on the per hour earnings that I have, right? Or is this an amount of percent that is added on top of the earnings at the end of the year? This is what's confusing. I don't know exactly, don't understand how this math will work. So this is kind of troublesome. I would like the team, if you're watching this video, I would like the team, or maybe if somebody's watching this video, post this question to the team. How will they calculate this? How will this be calculated? Because the 250% is based on your staked balance, but the balance always changes. It changes daily, and sometimes it changes faster, other days it changes slower. So is it 250% based on the overall amount here? I don't understand the math behind it, so that's confusing. That's the first thing right there. Nonetheless, so it says that all of this will be reset. Whatever you have in your ICE holdings, this amount will be reset, and basically all the profits that I've earned so far, the 250% earnings due to the 5-year staking period, will disappear, and your amount will be reduced to the basic 4 ICE tokens per hour. And then after the reset, you'll be able to once again choose the period of staking you would like to involve yourself in and the amount of coins staked. So this is something that will have to be calculated, and I'm not sure how that will be calculated. That's math that's beyond my understanding, but it seems a bit convoluted because we're looking at a huge number of people, obviously, and this reset seems sudden. So the team better has a solid algorithm in place, or they'll be facing a world of mayhem and challenge and trouble when people start messaging them and complaining about how their reset amounts are different from what they were, and it's just going to be chaotic. It's going to be chaos. Nonetheless, this is what's going to happen with the reset. These numbers will disappear, and your amount will be calculated based on how long, I guess, you've been mining for, and you will be given, you should receive the base for ICE tokens per hour that you've mined so far based on the amount of people that you have registered with you. No idea. So that's the first thing. The second thing that is talked about is the KYC, the second step of KYC. So the first one is pretty easy. It's just going to be a mugshot that you will have to take of yourself, of your face. That's the first step. Normally, in any KYC that you do, you're required to upload a copy of your ID or a passport. This, I guess there is no need for it since there is no investment involved. Normally, whenever you become involved in a project of any kind, there is some kind of monetary investment. You need to invest, you need to purchase the tokens, or you need to, there is a pre-sale or whatever. You are required to invest money in order to receive the tokens, and so there is a requirement for an ID of some sort. In ICE, there is no investment, there is no prior investment. All these tokens are essentially airdropped. Therefore, there doesn't seem to be a need for an ID upload. So the first step is KYC is a mugshot, while the second step will test your understanding of the ICE project, and so they strongly encourage a thorough review of our frequent asked questions, knowledge base, and white paper available on our official website. Additionally, our YouTube channel provides in-depth videos elucidating ICE's distinctive features. And I've seen comments and questions on the channel, and it seems like the team doesn't really have anything posted on their channel just yet. If you go to YouTube, we have ICE community update 2 months ago. There's live stream 1, halving explained, resurrection explained, slashing explained, day off explained, bonuses explained, decentralized community governance, coin economics explained, team explained, the basic principles, pre-staking and staking, mining, get started with ICE. So yeah, I guess the basic videos are here. They're pretty short. They're less than a minute long, each one of them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're looking at around 10 minutes watch time, except for the last one. That's 20 minutes. So it's not that much to watch. Pardon me, I had a different screen here. So it's not that much to watch here. There are like 18 videos or something, about I guess 20 minutes of watch time, 20, maybe a little bit more, 25 minutes of watch time altogether. So that's what you should take care of and have a look at that. Then also the white paper is available if you on the website as well. If you go to the very bottom, it's right here under resources and white paper, and then right above the white paper is the knowledge base. Explore the knowledge base, learn more here. Let's see, getting started mining, pre-staking, frequently asked questions, news, basic principles, and so on. So all that stuff is here. You can flip through it, have a look. Frequently asked questions was mentioned here. How is ICE earned? Who can join ICE? Is it possible to engage in mining on multiple devices? You can only have one registered device per person at a time. If at the verification process KYC we identify more than one registered device for the same identity, only the first registered device will be taken into consideration, while the other accounts will be locked. So if you've already registered with an account, then the first one, and then you, for some reason, you lost your login and you opened another account, then the second ones, or the consecutive accounts that you opened will be deleted, I guess. And only the first one that you registered with will be taken into consideration. So all the information is here. So this is what you need to read over in order to satisfy the second part of the KYC. And I've just discovered that I've been blocked on the on the Twitter profile of ICE, because I was messaging people telling them to have a look at my videos, trying to help the community, and apparently that doesn't lay well with the makers of ICE. That's interesting. I just found that out. So I guess you can't, but you can't look at it. That's interesting. The people are saying thank you. Please help me. I'm working hard for this project and don't want to lose my account. And I've dropped people messages and let them know that I want to help them, and you know, I make these videos for ICE so people can come here and find out what's what. And apparently the ICE project does not like that. I've been blocked. So the last point I was trying to make was that there was a lot of people asking on the ICE Twitter account. They were asking for help, and some people were having problems with logging in. So I told them, drop me a message on YouTube and I will provide a guide on how to log into your account. And I've made a video on that. You can log into your ICE. I still can't believe that I'm blocked. You can log in when you first log in with ICE. You either log in with an email, you have to set up a password, or you can log in with your Google account. Google account obviously is easier, it's simpler. If you've logged in with an email, then find out what email it is. Figure out the way you can find out if you registered with an email, then you should be able to go into and using Chrome, then you should be able to go into your settings up here and into your settings section, and from there you can navigate into password manager and figure out what password you used to register with ICE if you've done it on through Chrome, although I'm not sure that that's possible on your phone. In any case, that is highly disappointing. Learn more. Let's find out why was I blocked. X gives people a variety of tools, controls. Okay, why was it blocked? You can still report an account that has blocked you. When reporting the account, you will have the option to include posts that mention you unless that account has protected their posts. What's the reason for why? I guess I was blocked because I was sharing my link and I was telling people to come visit my my account with the helpful videos, when the team specifically said they had no videos. They kept saying people were asking for videos, and the team, ICE team, was saying the videos are coming soon. Unbelievable. Well, since I'm blocked, I'm gonna tell you this, man. It's this project, I don't know, there's a lot of people, but again, don't delude yourself that, you know, this is a they're saviors. There is no token right now. They're moving to Ethereum because they need funding. Once the token is issued on Ethereum, some people will begin trading it, which means money in the hands of the founders, and they need the money, clearly. But the fact that they said there won't be a token until next year when the blockchain is actually launched, and now they suddenly switch to Ethereum, that smells of something fishy, and somebody made that comment as well. So meh. Okay, so I will continue to observe this, I guess, somehow over other sources and see where this project goes. But those are the, I guess, 3 things that I mentioned, that I brought up, that people were asking me about. So I hope this is helpful, and let's see where this project goes. I'm gonna investigate and see if I can remedy this this incredible travesty of an injustice. So quick update, make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and I guess I'm gonna make another update somehow, let you know how this went. Crypto Father out. Peace.